Hello friends, welcome to MCQ test. Today we are going to take second chapter and its name is Forms of Business Organizations. So you people take pen and paper to note down your scores and at last you can tell me your score in comment section. Okay, so let's take first question. A partner whose association with the firm is unknown to general public. Options are like this: active partner, sleeping partner, nominal partner and secret partner. Alright, so when we are talking about unknown, remember active partner, sleeping partner and nominal partner. All these partners name is known to general public. But when we say secret partner, his or her name is not known to general public. So that's why our correct answer is option D, secret partner. Now let's take second question. Second question is provision of residential accommodation to members at reasonable rates is the objective of dash. Options are like this: producers cooperative, consumers cooperative, housing cooperative and credit cooperative. So here we know that producers cooperative is a group of producers, consumers cooperative is a group of consumers, and here housing cooperative, they are come together to provide residential accommodation to members. Alright, so our correct answer is here option C, housing cooperative. So let's take third question. The head of the joint Hindu family business is called dash. Proprietor, director, karta or manager. Alright, so here no need to explain anything, but because the answer is option C, karta. Next is the capital of a company is divided into small number of parts, each one of which are called what? Dividend, profit, interest or share. Okay, so the capital which is divided, we know that it is known as share. So our correct answer for this question is option D, share. Next question is profits do not have to be shared. The statement refers to what? Alright, so here where in which form of business the profits do not have to share with anyone. Options are like this: partnership, joint Hindu family business, sole proprietorship and company. So we know that in partnership, joint Hindu family business and company, profit is divided, only one form is there and it's a sole proprietorship, in which we don't have to share profit with anyone. So our correct answer is option C, sole proprietorship. Next question is the maximum number of partners allowed in partnership business is 10, 20, 50 or unlimited. So we know that as per the government's announcement, the maximum limit in partnership business is 50. Alright, so our answer is option C, 50. Next is the board of directors of joint stock company is elected by general public, government body, shareholders or employees. So we know that in the board of directors are managing the company on behalf of shareholders. All right, but this board of directors are elected by the shareholders only. So our correct answer is option C, shareholders. Next question is: in a cooperative society, the principle followed is one share, one vote, one man, one vote, no vote or multiple votes. Alright, we know that cooperative society is an organization where democracy and secularism is there. So here the principle they are following is one man, one vote. Alright, how many shares you are holding, it doesn't matter. Alright, one person have right to give one vote only. So here correct answer is option B, one man, one vote. Next question is the karta in joint Hindu family business has limited liability, unlimited liability, no liability for debts or joint liability. So we know very well joint Hindu family business is managed by the Karta only, and he or she has unlimited liability. All other members have limited liability, but only the Karta has unlimited liability. So our correct answer is option B, unlimited liability. Next question is the structure in which there is a separation of ownership and management is called sole proprietorship, partnership, company, or a business organization. So we know that out of this sole proprietorship, partnership, and a business organization, only the company is there where we can see the ownership and management is separated. So that's why our correct answer is option C, company. Next question is life of a sole proprietorship business is unstable, very short life, long life, or stable. So we know that sole proprietorship is a business which is owned, managed, and controlled by one person only. So that's why it doesn't have very short life or long life or stable life, but we can say it is unstable life. So correct answer is option A, unstable business. Next is a Hindu Succession Act was passed in 1956, 1960, 1932, 1952. Alright, so we know that this act was passed in 1956. Okay, so correct answer is option A, 1956. Next is what is the maximum limit of members in the case of a private company? Alright, so in private company we know that there is a restriction on a maximum number of members. So the numbers, let's see, 200, 7, 2 or 10. Okay, so here in the case of private company the maximum limit is option A, 200. So correct answer is also option A, 200. Next question is in the case of dash, registration is compulsory. Company, partnership, none of these, or sole proprietorship. So we know that in partnership and sole proprietorship registration is not compulsory, but in company registration is compulsory. So that's why our answer is option A, company. Next question is at least 10 adults, no maximum limit in the case of dash. Alright, so minimum are 10 and maximum there is no limit. Cooperative society, joint Hindu family business, partnership, and company. Alright, so when we talk about here at least 10 adults, so we know that 10 adults are required in cooperative society only. So our correct answer is option A, cooperative society. Next question is which is not limitation of sole proprietorship? Limited resource, limited life of business, easy formation, and limited managerial ability. So here you can see limited, and limited. All these are limitations. But when we see option C, easy formation, it is not a limitation. So correct answer is option C, easy formation. Next is in which form of business organization minor can be members? Alright, joint stock company, cooperative society, Hindu undivided family business, or sole proprietorship. So we know that in joint stock company, cooperative society, sole proprietorship, all in this form of business you must be an adult person. But when we talk about Hindu undivided family business, you are a member by birth only. So that's why here minor can be member. So correct answer is option C, Hindu undivided family business. Next is the act which governs the formation of partnership business is Indian Partnership Act dash. 1932, 1956, 1949 or 1912. So here we know that this Partnership Act in India was passed before our independence. So that's why correct answer is here 1932. Alright. Next is which of the following business organization has a service motive? sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, cooperative society or company. So when we talk about service motive, that means they are not started with the profit earning purpose. So here only one option is there, cooperative society, which main purpose is to protect the interest of members or help the members. That's why the correct answer is option C, cooperative society. Next is the type of cooperative society. The power to take decision lies in the hands of dash. Like elected managing committee, Karta, board of directors or member. Alright, so here when we are talking about cooperative society, here the elected members are there. Elected managing committee is governing or taking all decisions in cooperative society. So correct answer is option A, elected managing committee. Next is the cooperative society is required to be registered under the Cooperative Society Act dash 2013, 1956, 1932 or 1912. So when we talk about all forms of business organization, the cooperative society is required to get registered. It's very oldest act in all these forms, so it is 1912. So correct answer is 1912. Next is who undertakes the management and control of affairs of the company on behalf of owners. Board of directors, departmental heads, managing director or vice president. So when we know in the case of company, the board of directors are there who are managing and controlling the affairs. So correct answer is option A, board of directors. Next is the profit distribution among the shareholders is known as. Alright, all the shareholders are investing money in the company to get some return, and that return is called what? Incentive, bonus, interest or dividend. Alright, so whenever shareholders are investing money in company, they are getting in return and it is called dividend. So correct answer is option D, dividend. Next is minimum number of directors required to form a public company is 2, 10, 7 or 50. Alright, so when we talk about public company, the minimum number of director is 7. So our correct answer is option C, 7. Next is prospectus is issued by public company, private company, cooperative society or none of these. So when we talk about prospectus is like an invitation to public to subscribe its shares, means company's share. So it is issued by public company only. So correct answer is option A, public company. Next is which of the following conditions are necessary for the existence of joint Hindu family business. Alright, so some conditions are given. First is a minimum 2 members, existence of ancestral property, the oldest male member must be above the age of 50 years, and the next last one is maximum members in family is 10. Alright, so all these conditions are there. We know that only 2 are correct. So we see here 2 members and existence of ancestral property. These 2 conditions are there which is required for the existence of joint Hindu family business. So our correct options are like this: condition 1 and 2, condition 2 and 3, condition 1 and 3 and condition 2 and 4. So we can see here out of these 4 conditions, only first and second they are correct and they are required. So that's why correct answer is option A, 1 and 2. Next is which type of business organization is the most popular and suitable for small business? Joint Hindu family business, partnership, sole proprietorship or cooperative society. So for the small business, the most popular and suitable is sole proprietorship only, because we are starting the business on a small scale. So it is the best choice. So correct answer is option C, sole proprietorship. Next is find the liability of Krishna in a company who is a shareholder of 3000 shares of rupees 10 each. He has already paid rupees 6 per share. The amounts are like this: 10,000, 30,000, 18,000 and 12,000. Alright, out of 10, 6 is already paid, so rupees 4 is pending. Rupees 4 into 3000 shares, the answer is 12,000. So here correct answer is option D, 12,000. Next is the directors take all decisions on behalf of the shareholders. Keep in mind their own benefits. Identify the demerits stated above. Delay in decision making, numerous regulations, lack of secrecy, or oligarchic management. So when decisions are taken by directors for their own benefits, and it is coming under oligarchic management, which means managed by few. All right, in real sales the company is managed by few persons only, mostly in large companies. So here correct answer is option D, oligarchic management. Last question is, in which form of business transfer of ownership is not restricted? Public company, private company, partnership, or none of these? So when we talk about partnership and private company, transfer of ownership is not means it is restricted. So that's why our correct answer is option A, public company, where you can easily transfer your ownership or you can easily sell your shares to others.